Good morning guys. So ayan, nagko-coffee ako. Ayan. Cream coffee and stevia lang siya. Kasi yan yung allowed sa keto. So ayan, mamaya guys, may magde-deliver na na tripod in order nung asawa. So titingnan natin kung maganda siya o hindi. Pero we make sure naman na maganda siya. So birthday gift ng asawa ko sa akin yun. So ayan. Tsaka meron pa siyang, sabi niya, meron pa daw siyang susunod na birthday gift sa akin. So tingnan natin kung ano yun. And i-unboxing video din namin yung tripod mamaya para makita natin kung maganda ba siya. So ayan.
So this is our first unboxing of Lydia's package, her birthday present from Bruce.
Yes.
What is it, Lydia? It's a vlogging kit. Happy birthday, Lydia. So what do you got in that kit?
I don't know. We got here, it says here vlogging kit. So we got LED video light.
That's my game.
A smartphone holder, tripod, and wireless remote control. So that's in the box.
Awesome. And we'll get to try that a little bit later on today.
Yeah.
We'll upload some better videos with better sound.
So that's gonna be like that.
Alright. You end up looking like the girl as well.
There's missing.
Oh no!
Oh, what's missing? Wow. There you go. And now,
There is missing. The missing was the mic.
okay. Awesome. Well,
Yeah.
at least we got that on video. We can send that back to Lazada.
Yes.
Oh,
So the
so
mic
that's
was
why
missing.
it's good to do video
It should
unboxings.
become five. What's that? 5 item in one
Alright,
box.
so we'll have to do a thing with Lazada and get
Yeah.
our money back.
See, you can see that there is a missing.
Oh,
That's
you poor
okay.
thing. That means we don't get to do.
That's new box. So yeah.
That's disappointing.
Yes.
Oh well, so your first birthday present from me this week is not a very good one.